This is Market Open with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8 with precise entry, stop and target. So when you're using the system and the system giving you alert on NinjaTrader 8 scanner, you enjoy the ride, knowing quite well you absolutely must choose your best trade. Move have started pre-market. So what does the intelligent trader understand right now? Critical key targets are reached. RZ means reversal zone. RZ means monitor for a pullback. So when the pullback in a play, intelligent trader not surprised. Buying this high is not an intelligent move. Powerful pullback is the only good option for retail trader. That's it. And that's simplicity, purity, and precision of the Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. All you have to do is choose your best institutional trend trade. So again, trades played out on multiple other charts. I project software on 3 minutes. I can project software on 1 for ultimate precision. So when you're witnessing pullback in a play, you are not surprised. You understand extremely well where it's coming from. Correct? RZ is reversal zone. So price will be stuck in pain at the current level. That's not a good news. If price selling off, it is. That's it. So when you're using your limitless brain and you understand pure price is flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle, the skies are the limit. Right now, intelligent trader interested only in power to the downside. That's it. And that's the important strategic move for retail day trader. So when the price is selling off from critical key target, no one is surprised, especially my students who understand the power of this. Ultimate rule-based Alpha Fibonacci precision makes everything very simple. Do not overthink trading. That's it. We need this pullback to pick up this steam. RZ is reversal zone. Price already collapsed 5 points. We need the move drastically bigger. We need the price to collapse and crash to this level. If you choose to short, you're trading against institutions. And that's ultimate precision with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. Here's a short with the software that played out earlier, where price reversed as expected from critical key target. Again and again and again, precision and simplicity with your spectacular effort is key to your success. So when the price is moving down now, no one is surprised. There is only one little problem that's present. Pullback is weak. So let's dive deeper as we're waiting for FOMC for the events of the last few days, as we discussed for days. This is critical key historical event. This is critical key Alpha Fibonacci buy point. If institutions defend these levels, everyone can exhale for at least a couple of days. Markets selling off on April 24th on Wednesday. On Thursday, institutions step in with vengeance, allow you to buy the market at the bottom. Breathtaking. We're discussing in institutional class. This is what intelligent trader does, buying the bottom with institutions. Every single chart skyrocketed with vengeance while we were in institutional class. That's it. So when you ride the institutional power from the bottom, you are not surprised why this morning bearish pullback is weak. Institutions buying the market. Institutions are long. Every bearish move is counter trend. So when you're trading Alpha Fibonacci system, you're understanding quite well. This morning bullish rally overextended. This morning price stuck extremely high, crawling to the upside. We're no longer at 5,000 level. We're 150 points higher, stuck in retail crawl. So price continue respecting this level. Shorts are worthless. Shorts are weak. Market stuck in pain. That's it. And you also know many days in advance that at the time of FOMC, this will be historical event. 5,200 level. All in advance. Days before the biggest financial event in US markets. So here we go, shorts picking up this theme, correct? After all, we are at the bold red zone. That's it. All discussions next in the live class. But there is no institutional power. There is no multiple red alerts. It's a single alert with Alpha Fibonacci software for NinjaTrader 8. So there is no software in this chart, only proprietary levels, proprietary strategies, proprietary tools that you can install on any platform and trade on any instrument you choose. So prior to FOMC, this is gold selling off from identical reversal zone, except no software in this chart, only proprietary levels and proprietary tool you can install on TradingView, on TradeStation, on Interactive Brokers, on MT4 and MT5, on any platform you choose. Euro sold off from identical level, where S&P sold off from, but anyone knows good news on Euro? Anyone knows why Euro skyrocketed? You knew many months and years in advance where to buy Euro from. Identical price action, completely different risk management if you're trading Forex long term. If you're buying Nvidia at the bottom and you remember where to take profits off the table and why Nvidia is selling off, 900% later, again and again and again. You're witnessing identical event in our trading room live without any delays. Instantly. And you make a personal decision if you want to day trade futures with software for NinjaTrader 8 or if you want to trade system long term on stocks. Of course you can. On crypto, of course you can. On Amazon, of course you can. You remember. Safe haven lies in you, in your limitless effort and your brilliant, intelligent brain. There is no safe haven in Amazon. You learned your lessons of 2022. When we've seen phenomenal stocks collapse completely despite spectacular earnings. Even on Amazon, even on Apple, even on Google. And that's spectacular market open with flawless Alpha Fibonacci puzzle. With spectacular simplicity and precision, you can trade on all instruments, all time frames, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8. Every Monday morning in live class, I discuss precise trade rules and we review trades from micro to macro charts. As you see instantly in a single live class, that you can trade any instrument, any time frame, any platform, identical rules apply. Only difference, risk management and trade hold time. So when you make a personal decision to trade with precise entry, stop and targets on all instruments, all platforms, or with software for NinjaTrader 8, I look forward to working with you. You start understanding why husband brought his wife to the course and they became full-time traders. Why Carlton, my dearest friend for life, brought 5 traders, 5 students, 5 friends to the course and bringing many more next. As he texted me this weekend, he's on his path to become a full-time trader. Ken, my dearest friend for life, we met in London and his daughter gave me the sweetest card ever. Theo comes to the classes 2 o'clock in the morning to share his phenomenal journey. I look forward to receiving emails from you. I look forward to doing podcasts with you. All you have to do, make an effort and identify the instrument and time frame appropriate for you. Private mentoring being booked all the way into June. Sooner you sign up, more prepared you will be for private mentoring. This is the most desirable option. Savings, $8,000 plus. Includes video library, group course, trading room in each option. If you are on NinjaTrader 8, option 2 and 4 appropriate for you. If you are not, option 1 and 3 for all platforms. But again, option 2 and 4 also includes proprietary system for all platforms and lifetime software for NinjaTrader 8. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com, where next we will be discussing in the live class precision of this current morning historical events that played out last week and will continue playing out this week in FOMC next. So any questions for me? Do not hesitate to reach out.